Hello, this is It's Art and Craft channel. Today I will teach you how to draw a simple pumpkin. Follow my lead and you will surely be able to make your own pumpkin drawing at the end of the video. Find a circle you can trace. I found a clear plastic lid. This should do. Remember, just 3 overlapping circles, 1 circle at a time. I'm tracing the first circle. I'm tracing the second circle. On to the third circle. Just keep going. Draw 2 curves on top of the 3 circles you've just made. 1 curve. 2 curves. Now draw the pumpkin stalk. Watch me first, then draw your own pumpkin stalk on top of the 3 circles you've made. I will give you some time to catch up. I will stop drawing so you can draw the stalk. I am going to make some modifications on the center of the second circle, so that the pumpkin looks exactly like a real pumpkin. Watch me do the modifications, then you can do the modifications on your drawing, after you've observed my hand. Take note of the 2 new curves on top of the circle. Get ready with your black marker so we can trace the pencil marks and improve the look of the pumpkin. I am just going to trace the edges of the pumpkin. I'd like to start with the stalk first. You can watch me trace the pumpkin first, then you can pause the video so you can follow along and catch up. You did it! You now have a pumpkin drawing. See? You can draw. You can erase the pencil marks now so you can have a nice and clean drawing. Congratulations! If you like this video and you are interested to learn more arts and crafts, click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.